Hey y'all, my name is Mike Vaughn. Hopefully you watched my previous unboxing video where I unboxed the Diamond Minecraft sword, which is very awesome, and you should check that out. But Noble Collection was awesome enough to send me another box of goodies, and I'm gonna unbox that for y'all to check out. All right, so first off, we have this really cool plush stag from Harry Potter. And if you were keeping up with my previous unboxing videos, I also did a previous plush from the film series. But I had to say, this, as much as I like that other one, this is pretty dang cool. So very soft, as you can see. I love the glittery horns. You have the glitter on his belly and his hooves. It's very cool. So you can kind of feel the sort of like beans and stuff in here, and here as well. All right, so we are sticking with the wizarding world for our next item, and that is another prop replica, and that is, of course, the iconic Harry Potter glasses. So once again, let's take a look at this packaging. Really nice, ornate box this comes in. And this opens up. All right, so this is a better look at the glasses outside of the case. And here's another shot of it just without this plastic case, but just the glasses just kind of resting in here. Looks very nice. All right, so next up we have the Goblet of Fire miniature replica. And we're going to take a look at the packaging really quick here. Not a lot going on, but it kind of shows you a little bit more of the details. Okay, so I took it out of the box, so let's check this bad boy out. Oh wow, it's pretty heavy. It's got some heft to it. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the box, and wow, I cannot get over just how beautiful this looks. I mean, the details are just incredible. So again, here is a little bit closer up look. And that is really nice. I'm trying to get every angle possible so you all can check out just how amazing this is designed and put together. Like, I can't get over how well crafted this piece is. It really is just stunning. All right, so we've come to the main event. This, no shade to the other products, they were awesome, But yeah, this truly is kind of the best for last. So this is the Harry Potter Dumbledores Army wand collection. So we're going to take a look at this packaging. All right, here is the back, and it just kind of tells you what everything measures. The back just kind of gives you some specs as far as the measurements and a really detailed look at the wands themselves. All right, so I opened this up, and so the first layer is the wands, and I'm going to individually take these out and give you all a better look. Okay, so I've taken these out, and I'm going to give you a closer look at each one of these. And again, I have to say, just really nice detail. I mean, each one looks distinct. They don't look just generic or basic. They all have a nice weight to them. Oh, this one's cool. I like this. And again, just sort of like you can see like the ridges, the textures, just really nice detail. And last but not least, that is so cool. Okay, so I have it completely unboxed and set up, and wow, that is very cool. So here is a better look at the entire thing set up with the wands. Again, you get just so much detail in like every aspect of this display. And here is a look from the side. And this is what it looks like when it is propped up. So I'm not going to actually hang this, but it seems like it makes it really easy to do that. It has these hooks in the back right here. So very easy to just put some nails in and display. All right, so this is a look of all the items that I've unboxed for y'all. And I have to say, nothing disappointed me in the least. I mean, again, like my other unboxing video, I try to include a little something for everybody's budget, whatever you're kind of working with. You know, there's a little bit of something for everybody. And even on maybe like the lowest end, which is the plush, it really is just a very nice, very cool item to have. I mean, if you have a friend out there that's big into Harry Potter, or a loved one, or, you know, even if you just want to treat yourself around the holidays, even on the lowest end, you really have something that is very, in my opinion, very high quality. That is very soft. I don't like, Obviously, you can't touch it, but I think you can tell that it looks very soft, very detailed, very cool. And again, a huge thank you to Noble Collection for sending me these. I'm going to link in the description where you can check these amazing items out. And again, gosh, I really recommend everything on this table. I mean, it is just absolutely stunning gifts if you're a Harry Potter fan. Thank you so much for checking these out with me. As I mentioned, I do have other unboxing videos and also have another unboxing video coming up, along with some other really great content that we put out daily. So please subscribe to this channel and, weigh in on the comments. What do you think? What item that I unboxed was your favorite? What are some of your favorite Harry Potter collectibles or memorabilia? Like as somebody that's starting their collection, what should I be on the lookout for? So let me know. And as always, thank you for hanging out with me and checking out these really cool products from the Noble Collection.